Hi, this is Daniel, the Passive Cash Stacker, and today we're going to go over 4 steps to increase your email open rates with Go High Level Lead Nurturing, Smart Lists, Email Marketing. First of all, if you saw this video on the first page of YouTube or Google ranked, and you want to know how I did that, check my course below, and I show you step by step everything I do in every video campaign so that I can get top rankings. Now, let's dive into the content. I quickly want to go through the 4 steps to increase your email open rate so that you can get delivered and open rates high like this. This was a accumulation of all of our accounts in the last 3 months. We had 94.58% delivered and 80.47% opened, and this was with bulk emails that were personalized. First thing that we're going to look at is tags and segmentation. Now, we're getting ready to upload a buyer's list into the platform here, and we've got the names, the emails, and the tags important so that you can segment your list and send very niche targeted emails so that you are sending to people who are interested in a specific topic, as opposed to just blasting out to thousands of people that have varied interest. You want to go ahead and make sure that you send out to lists that are extremely targeted and are on topic. That is extremely important. So send out emails to people about videos who like YouTube, to be able to send out emails about email marketing for people who like to email market. Send out emails about make money online for people who like make money online. So one way that we're able to do that quickly and efficiently is by tagging people. So we're going to go ahead and take this list here, and on here you can see we have about 1,000 people. So we got about 1,000 people on this list here for the marketing list, who are people who are interested in marketing. All right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to our contacts. We're going to go to contacts. Now, the great thing is whenever you have tags, you can add multiple tags or just have one, so that you can have a list of 10,000 or 100,000 people, and then you're very easily able to search for the particular tag that you want. So right here, we can start typing in and you see everybody who is tagged for that specific tag will come up, and then you're able to send them an SMS. If you have their phone number, you're able to send them an email or any other kind of automation that you want to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add our list right here with import contacts. Now, if we wanted to create an individual contact, we can just press plus and add contacts. But we're going to upload our contacts. So we are going to just go ahead and drag over our file. It's going to tell us which one we have right here, and then we're going to say next, and then we're going to just map out the fields. So we want to verify what we have. This is the name, this is the email, and this is the tag. So we're going to go next, and then you just click submit. Quick and easy. Now, when it is importing your contacts, it may take a minute or two to go ahead and get that in there, but once it is in there, you are ready to start marketing. Now, what I love is that as you have other lists or other actions or other funnels that create tags. So say if this specific person here opts into one of your other forms, as soon as they opt into a form, you can add another tag for that. So you're able to niche down and segment every list. You can have 15, 20 tags on one specific person, so that if you want to send out an email blast about a specific topic, if they have that tag for them, you will send it out to them because they are interested. Now, you still have the ability to do a mass blast with everybody but you will always get higher open rates and more opens and clicks if you are targeting your email list correctly with tags and segmentation. Now, on personalization, you have the ability to go ahead and select this tag or this specific list, and you can go ahead and click on these. So say we're going to send out a blast to these 20 people here, or you can select all the people in this particular list that you have, and then you can say, oh, I want to send an email or I want to send a text. And you say, okay, and proceed. Now, the great thing is you have custom values, which gives you the opportunity to be able to segment your people, to be able to personalize bulk emails. Okay, so the contact is the person that we're going to be sending to, and you have all of these variables and then additional custom fields that you can add so that you can personalize every single email. So say we want to go ahead and send to the first name. So we can actually personalize inside our email subject. And then we can personalize our email with their name. So hi, first name, okay? And then you can talk about their company. And you can go ahead and come over here to the contact and you can say company name. I see your company, blah, blah, blah. And you can tell them they're in need of whatever. And the great thing is with custom values, you can create any custom value imaginable. You can segment it by birthdays, by height, by clothing size, by shoe size, by type of vehicle they own. So you can extremely niche down everything that you're talking about with your clients so that you can personalize emails so that they are excited about opening it and it is very relevant to them when they are reading it. This gives you high open rates and high click rates once they open. So inside of your emails or your texts, it's very important to have a personalized subject line when you are sending, whether you are sending their first name, whether you are sending their company name. So you can have inside the subject line, you can have their company name. And so you can say, first name is your company, still needing more leads. Now, the great thing is you can send out 1,000 emails, and out of those 1,000 emails, every single name and every single company name is going to be different. So it's going to be personalized to them, and they're like, oh, wow, they know I'm still looking for this, or I'm still looking for that. And if you do a little bit of research or networking with them, and you put that data into the custom values, whatever it might be, people are going to open and click because it is personalized and they think that you sent it specifically to them, where you could be sending out 500 to 1,000 emails and they would never be the wiser. Now, the fourth thing that is going to increase your email open rates and your click-through rates is being able to do drip feed workflows. Now, on the drip feed workflows, you want to be able to have enticing content that is related to the specific niche for whatever they have opted in or whatever they have showed interest in. So this is going to help with rankings. It's going to help with driving traffic. It's going to help with driving clicks to your offers. So you want to make sure that whatever they have opted into, whatever they feel like they are interested in, you continue that on a drip feed sequence. Wait a day, wait a couple days, wait a week, wait a month, whatever you wait, but make sure that you follow up continuously, and it doesn't have to be long emails. So like right here's your day 2 training right here, and it gives them something to watch, to interact with, to click on. And like I said, we're getting 80% high open rates, super high delivery rates, because it is tailored to the person that it is going to. And if you have a continued sequence of informational follow-up without having to pitch them, if you're constantly giving them good content that is relevant, whenever you send them a pitch or something to click on to convert, they're more likely to do so because you've given them so much niche, relevant content that is related to what they are interested in. You see here, I've got one that is a 9-day follow-up and I'm working on a 10th day right now. So as they go down, they're saying, wow, you're constantly giving me relevant, important content that I am interested in. When you give me something to buy that's related to this, I'm going to be excited. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to convert. And this is how you get sky high delivery rates, open rates, and click rates to get conversions and sales for your company or for your affiliate business. Click plus, select what you want to add, and provide value.